Hey guys, it's Brad from Luna, here with our new kit today. Just released this, so it's pretty sweet. It's gonna help you stand out. So a lot of people are already putting this on their Sur-Rons, and I thought I'd just give you a couple tips today. Just a few things we've learned when installing these, so let's get into it. First thing you wanna do, get a little bit of rubbing alcohol. You wanna get all that grease and grime off your frame. Just kinda wipe that down, let that dry up. Also, kind of a weird tip that I've learned from just racing motocross and putting graphics on, Windex actually works good. You just water it down a little bit, you spray a little bit on the frame there. Helps it not stick so much, so you can kind of move it around. Just gonna lay this right on. The material's really good that we're using. It's 3M, so it's not necessary that you need to use the Windex, but it's just something I like to do. You can stick and re-stick this a lot. Just kind of line that up. The cuts are really accurate with the frame, so it looks really clean. Next tip, steal your girlfriend's or your mom's little hair dryer if you don't have a heat gun lying around. Not too much. Just kind of get that Windex out. They also give you a squeegee. Not necessary to use that, but it does help sometimes. Simple as that, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. A few more things to note. It is probably easier to lay the bike down on its side when applying these decals. Just makes it a little simpler, but for video's sake, we just did it on the kickstand. Also, we do give you some more material in that kit, so in case you mess up on any part, you do have some extra swing arm decals, and maybe the more difficult areas we got you covered. So, alright guys, like and subscribe, and stay ripping.